let's make some stuffed grilled fish. So those are all the ingredients I use. So you cut the fish just so that the seasoning can go in. Add some salt for taste. Add salt inside the fish. So fish has a tendency of not taking in all the salt. So that's some fish spice. And then I added some spice, roast spice. It's called shokas. It's a Zambian spice. Black pepper. I love to add black pepper on pretty much everything I cook. Ginger spice. Mix all the spices up, then add some olive oil or any oil of your choice, and then mix it up. You can use any brush to marinate the chicken, fish, and yeah, there we go. Inside, like, make sure you marinate the inside of the fish as well. And thereafter, let the spices settle into the fish. Look at that. So I put it aside as I prepared the rest of the ingredients. Chopped some onions, chopped some tomato, green pepper, red pepper. Chop it all up. Yeah, then that's the lemon. Add some lemon onto the fish. Like, what is grilled fish without lemon? Yeah. And then red pepper as well. And those are all the ingredients that I used to stuff. So you can use any ingredients of your choice. Like, you could stuff it with anything, potatoes if you like. Anyway, add salt and any seasoning of your choice. You see, black pepper again for me, because it's always a winner. Mix all that stuff up and prepare it. Put some vinegar. I love this vinegar. And then stuff your fish. You can obviously do it in a much neater way, but yeah, stuff that fish. Stuff it. Yeah, add all the juices. And then there we go. More olive oil, because if you're going to grill your fish or grill anything, it should be well oiled. Slice some lemon and add on top, just so that the fish takes in the juices. You notice I had an orange. You can do the same with an orange, or you could stuff the orange into the fish, whichever because I was prefer. Fish, I needed a lot of foil, so foil up the fish and then toss it into the oven. It takes quite a bit of time, so you have to keep checking on it, and so that was what it looked like the first time I checked on it. Then you wait for the fish to cook from the inside and then grill, and so you trying to get that brownish color and then turn it around so that you can cook the other side of the fish. So this is what it looked like after. And yeah, so you can serve it with anything. I served it with mushima and some veggies or Ethiopian beans.